I have earned more than $7,000 just in 2 months using this automation. And you guys can do it as well. The question is, what if we can make an automation that could find jobs for you on Upwork, identify whether this job is great fit for you or not, and if it's a great fit, then make a proposal according to your portfolio and send all the details of the job on your email automatically. Well, here it is. In this tutorial, we are going to make such an automation that will do all this and save your time and connect you with a quality clients. So the roadmap of this automation is divided into 4 parts. First part will be we are going to plan the whole automation, what we want to achieve, how we can achieve, like we are going to plan the whole automation. Then we are going to do the coding part of the automation where we will be building servers that will be used for scraping. And then we are going to make end-to-end workflow that will make the whole thing automated and user-friendly. And finally, we are going to test the whole automation and see whether it's working perfectly as we wanted or not. What we needed for this automation: first of all, we need Node.js installed. Then we are going to use anything locally. Then we need Ollama configured for using the LLMs locally, and we will be needing Google Sheets to maintain the jobs and their details. And finally, we are going to use Gmail to get emails from the automation. In the next video, we are going to discuss how we are going to plan this automation and how the planning process should be done. Like to the channel and subscribe to the channel will be awesome, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.